Garfield Community Farm is an urban farm in Pittsburgh with a vision to advance food sovereignty, environmental justice, and neighborhood resiliency in the Garfield community. Through creating fresh food access and providing educational opportunities, the farm is performing ecological restoration right inside Pittsburgh. For over a decade, the farm has been using permaculture practices to improve everyday life for animals and people alike. Permaculture is an agricultural practice developed by indigenous peoples that reinforces the idea that we should be working with the land instead of against. The surplus of flora at the farm is a huge pollinator attractor. Pollinators transport pollen from the male part of the plant, called the stamen, to the female part of the plant, which is called the stigma. This is necessary to fertilize plants so they can produce fruits, seeds, and other new plants. Without pollinators, we wouldn't have 35% of our world's food crop. Pollinators are all kinds of bugs, not just bees. Wasps, butterflies, birds, smaller insects, and animals are all kinds of pollinators. With a rapid increase in infrastructure, the world is surrounded by brick and cement, leaving limited space for greenery. Pollinators are rapidly losing habitat space, which means bee health is on the decline and less crops are being pollinated. Biodiversity is not only at risk, but the health of people is as well. This is why urban green spaces like the farm are so important. Greening urban spaces consists of incorporating aspects of the natural environment into areas that are generally not associated with plant life. Through this, we can have green areas in neighborhoods and city centers, helping to improve biodiversity. To see just how important pollinators are, I observed pollinator traffic from Garfield Farm over the span of 4 hours and compared this data to that of an empty lot right down the block. The data was overwhelming, illustrating the farm and all its resources are able to provide a space that pollinators are able to go to perform their daily tasks and rest. Being the main driver of habitat loss, humans all share a responsibility to help nurse biodiversity levels back to health. Individual action can be crucial in this scenario, and something as simple as creating pollinator gardens with an abundance of nectar-rich flowers and bee shelters can help save our pollinators.